Hey, what's up, guys? This is your King Zach Million here. Today, I'm gonna show you how to select the best affiliate product, affiliate offer. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you probably, and if you are just starting now, you probably have an issue selecting or choosing the best product to promote, because if you're promoting an offer which is not really good to your customers, to your audience, it's very hard for you to make any sales. It's very hard for you to make any money with that. So in this video, I'm gonna show you here how to choose the best affiliate product to promote. And what we're gonna use today, affiliate network we're gonna utilize today is Digistore24. Okay, you can do the same method with other affiliate networks like JVZoo or ClickBank, but we are utilizing Digistore here because I love Digistore so much. So it doesn't matter, but it works on all affiliate networks have this type of sorting activity, sorting order where you can sort your offer or any product that you want to promote. Okay, so let's get into this right here. And guys, before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, I'll urge you please go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I'm doing videos like this every single day, showing different ways to make money online. And I only show you what's working out right now, what I'm doing that is working out for me, and that's what I do. Yeah, if I test it out and does not work, I don't bother myself to record my screen here and show you what does not work, but I only show you what is working right now. So it's very important that you do things in quite in my way. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like these videos. Okay, so here we are on Digistore24. This is the marketplace, but before we get into that, if you're new to Digistore24, all you have to do is to sign up, and the sign up process is very simple. Let's just open Google and type in Digistore24. Okay, or 24. Okay, and what you're gonna do is search. Oh, I search. Okay, so Digistore24, and what you're gonna do is click on the first result that shows up, and always check to make sure that this section here is absolutely www.digistore24. That's very important. So all you have to do is to go ahead and sign up to Digistore24, and you are good to go. And I wish I could walk you through the step-by-step process of how to set everything up, but I already done that in my previous video. So if you wanna know how to create a verified Digistore account, you can watch other previous of my videos, and I do talk about that. So this video I'm going to show you very simple. You don't need to watch any video, but it's very simple. You can set everything up, and what you're gonna do after creating an account, go ahead and click on the marketplace. So here I am automatically on the marketplace here, and I just to make this video very short. Okay, so go ahead and come to the marketplace, and the marketplace here we have a whole lot of offers, a whole lot of products that we can promote as an affiliate and make sales. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm gonna show you here today how to choose or how to select the best product to promote. Okay, so because there are over thousands of products in here, and if you are just starting now, you might be wondering all these products, which one should I promote? Okay, and first, before you promote any product, I recommend that you choose the niche. You consider your niche. Okay, what I mean by that is choosing the product that you are, or the industry, the space that you are very familiar with, that you're so passionate about. So if you are someone who owns a gym, you might choose health and fitness niche here, and it is very good for you to know your niche. Is very important. Okay, so choose offer that you are very familiar with. Okay, so mine here, I love personal development here. I'm in the personal development space right now. I'm in the MO1 niche. I'm in the make money online niche here, but I'm very active on personal development. Okay, so I'm gonna choose personal development here, and let's wait for it to load up. And what you're gonna do next is here we're gonna select. I'm gonna show you one of the secret ways to sort everything out and choose the right product for you. Okay, so here we are on the personal development space here, and as you can see, this offer right here, the Genescript is performing is one of the best offer that's making a lot of sales right now. Okay, this is very hard in the industry and the American money magnet. Okay, so as you can see here, what you want to do next is head over to this section here. Okay, it says sort by sales rank, but maybe on your screen you might not see sales rank. It might be something different, but what you want to do is click over here. Okay, and as you can see, we have sort by popularity, enterprise sale, enterprise card, publication day, sales rank. conversion. And what you want to do is to select sales rank. Okay, sales rank, what it means that Digistore is gonna sort all the product in the space that you choose here from this category here. It's gonna sort all the products in there, and it's gonna select the product that's making out a lot of sales right now. Okay, so that's what it means by sales rank. And if you want to select the best product that you want to promote, you don't want to promote any offer that's not making sales. You want to promote product that's making sales right now. Which means that if you're promoting this product, it's very likely that you're also gonna start making sales right away because that product is actually hot on the marketplace. Okay, and you can also come over to and sort by publication date. Why I often choose publication date because I want to see the product which are new in the market. Okay, I will talk more about publication date maybe in the next video or in the future video. But today, what you want to do is to sort by sales rank. That's very important, and I think that's all you have to do: sort by sales rank. And as you can see, this offer is performing very well here. By default, this is the popularity rate here for this product here. Okay, so I'm gonna talk about that in the next video. So I think that's all there is to this video. And as you can see, this offer is performing great here. It's been 49%, $40 commission. That's 80% commission here. Okay, and it's simple as that. And I think that's all there is to this video, guys. If you think I gave you value here, go ahead and smash out the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not done yet. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any question regarding today's video here, or general question. You can leave it in the description and I'll reply you as soon as I read your comment. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and then goodbye.